Hey everyone, it's Runaway Raptor 11 here. So on my birthday we went to Plant City, and on the way here we caught a random train, and then I searched it up and I found out it was a random railroad called the Florida Sugarcane Railroad, and some Axe Union Pacific SD-38s, I think. Well, that was pretty cool to catch. Yeah, it's a random railroad I've never heard of before. I'm happy to see that, actually. Found out about this HO scale hobby shop. Decided to go in it because it's in Sarasota, and we got an N-scale auto rack and
just got this
an HO scale TTX box car by Walters. Well, both were $44, so that's like $80-something down the drain for model trains. We arrive at the Plant City Holiday Express and decide to stay in that hotel again. We've already been there like 4 or 5 times. It's a really cool hotel. It's actually kind of luxurious, to be honest. They have good chairs in the lobby. They're like thousands of dollars. So we were driving to the viewing platform from the hotel, and we caught Q453, I think, because we checked the map and it was down the A line, and Q442 came after that, so that was not Q442. That was some train that took the Plant City turnout. So when we arrived at the viewing platform, I thought nothing was coming, so I was playing a game. Then I heard an Amtrak horn and I was like, oh no, so I set up my tripod and I got this quick shot of Amtrak PO92 out of Okay, so now we catch Q442 with the YN2 leading and a boxcar logo and boxcar logo YN3 and then another YN3. And here's the video. Hope you enjoy. He had a little extra mix for it, I think, at the back of the last train of the day. After that train, we went straight back to the hotel. We wake up, go to the tower, and there's already a Railfan there. 0709 on the Plant City sub actually came in the morning. This is my first time catching a local. Here's the video. Hope you enjoy. Great, I found another person who likes joking around and calling me a filmer. Anyways, I do like filming high rollers. That was my first one seen. Okay, now here comes the real stupidity moment. I lost a piece from my tripod somewhere near the yellow MLK. Now I have to buy a part of it off of eBay. See if they have that. Probably not. I probably have to get a new tripod, to be honest. But here's 0709 switching back.
Okay, like I said, why did I have to do a round shot? Because I lost a piece from my tripod and I can't hold it up now. So I'm probably gonna have to get another part on eBay or something. Hope they have it. If they don't, then I have to get a new tripod. But anyways, here's the video of you when you want a round shot.
Okay, here is 0709 again. Okay, here is a really fast local 0708 coming, flying down the airline from Winston. Anyways, enjoy the video. I can't do the whole talk of it so fast. Boxcar local. Yeah, this is what it would look like in kind of like the 1940s, kind of. And we just got bored at the real Plant City Diamond.
Yeah.
So we decided to come in the museum.
Yeah, and Railfanning the HO scale layout.
Yeah,